We would like to focus on the display overview and the fact that you can actually change the display settings to your liking. There are a couple of options which I would like to show you. We press the menu button and we go to Settings. Then we choose Display. Here you see 4 menus. Let's look into the rows first of all. You can change the 3 rows that are available on the display to your liking by changing the unit that you want to visualize. For example, I would like to see my flow in standard cubic feet per minute. I press Enter to confirm. Immediately I skip to row number 2. Here I would like to see my temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. I confirm and I go to row 3 and I would like to see my totalizer in standard cubic feet. I press Enter to confirm and my settings are saved. When I go back to my original display, I now see 3 rows that I have set: flow in standard cubic feet per minute, temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and I have a totalizer in standard cubic feet. The next menu is called Custom Unit, and that needs some explanation. As a standard, we offer you a number of units, but you can also customize the unit to indicate your flow consumption. This can be very useful if you have large flow numbers and you want to decrease those to fit them into your display. Another example would be if you want to create extra awareness amongst the people who use flow meters in your compressed air or gas system, we can actually indicate a unit called euro per cubic meter of compressed air. This means that people can actually see what money is flowing around in your compressed air or gas system. Very useful when a leak occurs. So now we are going to change that custom unit. By pressing the arrow button, we go to the custom unit menu. We confirm, and now this display shows up. In this case, I would like to visualize my flow in cubic meters per hour and actually show costs of this cubic meter. In this case, 15 euro cents. So I set my unit in cubic meters per hour. My factor is 0.15, and the name of my custom unit, or the label as we also call it, is euro. 15 euro cents per cubic meter per hour. You can actually set 5 custom units, and we'll show you how to do that. We press Enter and we go to the first row, meaning that we choose our standard unit. In this case, I choose cubic meters per hour. I confirm, and now I can actually set my factor. In this case, I will choose 0.15 as my factor. I confirm, and now I actually set the name of my custom unit. I have now actually set a custom unit and I need to visualize it in my display. So I need to adjust my rows. We go to the rows menu, and suppose I would like to change row number 3 to show my custom unit that I have just created. There it is, flow in euro. We confirm, and the setting is now saved. Let's see if it shows up in the display, and it does. Great. The next menu setting we would like to show is the dim time. So we go to the dim time menu, we press Enter, And the default dim time of the display is set to 10 seconds. Please be aware of that. The other option are no dim time at all, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 seconds. Change the setting to your liking and press Enter to confirm. The next menu is the display orientation. Please note that the transmitter of the VPFlowScope M can be mounted in any direction you want. Depending on the position the transmitter is mounted, you can also change the orientation of your display. We go to the orientation menu, we confirm, and we see the two options. One is standard and the other one is upside down. Let's save the upside down option. We press Enter, and all of a sudden the display is now installed upside down. And this is how the original display would look like.